Hello, our today's topic is Introduction to Trigonometry. Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics that deals with the triangles, mostly with right angled triangles. This is the right angled triangle and this is the 90-degree angle. Used in finding relationship between sides, these are the three sides, and angles, and these are the angles. Now, if we split the word trigonometry, then we get tri. This means three. Gonia is a Greek word which means angle, and metry means it is also a Greek word which means measure. Now, if we move forward to the definition of the trigonometry, then trigonometry is the branch of mathematics that studies relationship involving lengths and angles of triangles. These are the lengths of angles and these are the sides, and we need to know about these angles. We need to find about these angles. Now, if we talk about overview of the trigonometric functions, then there are three basic trigonometric functions which are sine, cos and tan. Now, if we talk about right angle triangle, then this side is hypotenuse, which is opposite to the 90-degree angle, and the side which is adjacent to the hypotenuse and the angle we know is known as base of the right angle triangle, which is also called adjacent, and the opposite side to that side is known as perpendicular, which is called opposite side as well. Now, if we talk about terminology of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is always the side opposite to the right angle. It is the longest side in the right angle. This is the hypotenuse. This is the longest side in the right angle. This is the longest side in the right angle, which is just opposite to the right angle. Now, the opposite side is always across from the given angle. This is the given angle, and the opposite side is always this is the opposite side, and this is the given angle. Sine function. The sine function is the ratio of the opposite side of the angle to the hypotenuse. Means this is the hypotenuse, and this is the opposite side of this angle. So sine theta is a opposite side upon hypotenuse, which is also known as perpendicular. We can also call this opposite side as a perpendicular because this side is perpendicular to the base of the triangle. Now, if we talk about cosine function, then cosine function is the ratio of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse. This is the adjacent side of to the hypotenuse, and this is our angle 90-degree. So the formula for the cosine function is adjacent side upon hypotenuse, and this is the adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Tangent function, which is also called tan function. Tan function is the ratio of the opposite leg of the adjacent leg. Means that this is the right angle and this is the opposite leg, and this is the adjacent leg to the hypotenuse. We will talk about this further. Now I am giving a small introduction about trigonometric table. So we have here angle of degrees. These are the degrees and these are the angles. Sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. These are the angles. Now if we talk about sine 90-degree, then we have the value 1. If we talk about tan 45-degree, then we have the value 1, and so on. So we can solve many problems with this table. Perpendicular, and this is the base of the triangle. So to solve this problem, let me teach you P B P upon H H B, where this is sine, this is cos, and this is tan. So now if we talk about the sine R, then we have P upon H, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So this is the perpendicular and this is the hypotenuse, so sine r is this. Now from the previous slide, we where we have 1 by 2 of the sine r value, so 1 by 2 value is at 30 degree, so the value of this angle is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. Now we know that the sum of all sides of the triangle is 180 degree. So this side is 30 degree, this side is 90 degree. So we can say that this side is 60 degree in the triangle. So now if we talk about the sine r, then we have P upon H, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So this is the perpendicular and this is the hypotenuse, so sine r is this. Now from the previous slide, we where we have 1 by 2 of the sine r value, so 1 by 2 value is at 30 degree, so the value of this angle is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. Now we know that the sum of all sides of the triangle is 180 degree. So this side is 30 degree, this side is 90 degree. So we can say that this side is 60 degree in the triangle. Now if we talk about the applications of the trigonometry functions in real life, so we can say that in ancient time it was used for astronomy in finding the distance of stars. These are the stars and these are the distance. How to find the distance between these two stars. Finding radius of earth, finding the radius of earth, and finding height of trees, building navigation, airplane shifts, and many places we use trigonometric